Hello everyone, so today I'm doing an updated version of the tutorial on how to download TwitCasting videos. It has become more and more difficult, so I've made a little program that will allow you to do it. So you go in the video description and you will find this link. Then you download this executable, tweetcastdl.exe. I'm going to move it here, but you can move it wherever you want. Then if you launch it, you execute it, and then it will give you an error saying that ffmpeg is not found. So and you have to place it here. So you can download ffmpeg wherever you want on the internet, but for your convenience I've put a link in the video description that points to the executable on the Google Drive, so you download it. 96 megabytes, it's okay. You download, you wait for it to finish. When the download is completed, you grab the executable, you can cut it, and you have to paste it in program files x86, so it will be in your language. You create a folder here called ffmpeg and you paste the executable there. It will ask for administrator permission, and there we go. And now we can launch the program. It will say paste this link in your browser's console. So this link is used to retrieve the video URL. So you on Windows you can just select it and you hit right click. Then you go on the video you want to download, so let's say this one. You just start the video so that it can grab the link. So you start the video. Okay, it's fine. Now you right click on the page, you hit inspect, and you go in the console and you paste the link. You hit enter and it will give you the video URL. So be careful, because in my console, for example, it doesn't show the whole link. So you right click and you hit copy link location. So it's good. You paste it here. You can just right click on Windows. You can make sure that the link is correct. Okay, it's good. You hit enter. Enter the name of the output video. .mkv will be added. By default it will make an mkv video, but we will be able to convert it to mp4, don't worry. So I'm going to name it live1. Enter the user agent of your browser. So the program needs your user agent. So for that you just go on Google and you type my user agent, and it will give you on the front page the user agent, or you can go on the first link here. You paste it here, you hit enter, and then the TwitCasting live will be downloaded. So we wait for it to finish. Then it will say download completed. Do you want an MP4 version? Yes, it's more convenient. And then do you want to download another video? No. And then in the same folder as your executable, you will have the video, the live. So that's it for the Windows version. Now you can download every live you want. So it has to be recorded. You can't download a live stream that have a lock on them or that haven't been recorded. So now we will go and see how to use the program on a Linux machine. So if you are on Linux, make sure that ffmpeg is available for you, or you can simply type sudo apt get install or pacman or whatever you have. Then you clone this repository, the link will be in the description. Then you go in there, there is a cmake list, so you type cmake dot and then make, and then the executable will be there, TwitCast DL, so you type dot slash TwitCast DL. Then it's the same thing as Windows. You copy this link, you go in your browser, you select the video you want to download, let's say this one, you start it, then you right click inspect element, you go in the console and you paste the link. The video URL will be there, but it's not showing entirely, so you right click and copy link address. You go back in your terminal, you paste the link, then you choose a name for the video, so I'm going to choose live 1. Then the user agent of the browser, you go in your browser, you go on Google, you type my user agent and it will be here. You copy it, you paste it in the terminal and you hit enter and the stream will be downloaded. So that's it for this video. I hope that this will be helpful, and then you can convert the output in MP4. So you do that and you exit, and the video will be there. You can check if it works. And thanks again to Niseami, the person who coded the TwitCasting DL batch script. My code is largely based on his code, so check his GitHub account. He has some very cool project. He will be linked in the description as well. Thank you and goodbye.